I'm Pat Nukem, here today introducing the Nukem Hunting Grab and Go hunting blind. The Nukem Grab and Go hunting blind was developed by hunters with decades of experience to meet the challenges of the mobile hunter. It's easy to set up in seconds, not minutes. To set the blind up, you lay it out, put your 4 poles together, stand it up, and put your center pole in the top connector. Our U.S. utility patented Nukem Grab and Go hunting blind has you covered whether you're chasing whitetails in the hardwoods, turkeys in the field edges, or wherever your pursuit may be. Our stake-free design allows you at any point to quickly shift angles. When you're in the woods and ready for a quick move, simply drop the center pole, grab and go. The animal doesn't always come to you, so you need the option to get up and move and relocate when your conditions change. Adjustable to over 7 feet wide, with our stake-free design, you can set it up or take it down in less than a minute. Each blind is constructed in 150 to near nylon fabric. Our blinds are offered in true timber strata and HTC green camo patterns. Don't just hunt them, nuke them.